Hello everyone. Welcome back to CCU's Cooped Up Kids Corner. I'm kind of excited to see everything that you've been posting, and it sounds like you've been having a whole lot of fun. So today, brand new activity. You ready? Here we go. So a lot of times we kind of rush through our day, and today's activity is about being a little bit more mindful. Mindful is when we are really paying attention to what it is that we're doing. Sometimes we just kind of walk through the house without even realizing what we're doing. But we could be really mindful and pay attention to every step we take, feeling the floor beneath our feet, and paying attention to the things that are around us. So that's what being mindful is all about. And today we're going to practice that with this fun activity. So if you're hungry, this is a perfect activity for you. So what I did was I went into the kitchen and I found some of my favorite treats, and you can pick any that you'd like. So on my plate, I went ahead and grabbed a banana, some yummy almonds, some dried cranberries. I really like the flavor of those. And of course, my favorite, some chocolate. So what we want to do with these is we're going to do an activity that's going to be called slow motion eating. So you want to pretend that you're moving in slow motion. Can you do that? Here we go. First things first is you're going to use your sight. So I'm going to take a look at one of my snacks. I'm going to choose the almonds. I really want to pay attention to what it looks like, the color, the shape, and anything else about that snack that looks different to you. Once you've had a good look at your snack, next, we're gonna feel. So the first thing you'll do is you're going to wash your hands. Make sure your hands are completely clean for this activity. Yes, good time to go inside the bathroom, use that antibacterial soap that your parents bought. Make sure your hands are clean. When you come back, go ahead and pick up your snack. Now, we're gonna pay attention to how it feels. So hold your snack for just a minute. Go ahead and rub it in between your fingers. Is it smooth? Is it rough? Is it slimy? So once you pay attention to what it feels like and take your time, it's time for the third step. Now, in this third step, you're gonna pretend you're in a slow motion movie. We're gonna take our snack and we're gonna place it inside our mouth. Now, before taking a bite, pay attention to what the food feels like in your mouth. When you're ready, slowly take a bite. Is your snack crunchy? Is it juicy? Then when you're ready, go ahead and swallow and pay attention to what that feels like. Pay attention to what feelings or emotions might come up. All right, so that one brought up a lot of emotions for me, because I remember eating those when I was really little at my grandmother's house in New Jersey. Oh my goodness. So that's what that reminded me of. It made me feel kind of nice inside. Now, for you, your stomach may have been rumbling, or maybe you were excited because you were about to eat your chocolate. Everybody's going to have different feelings, but yes, food can bring up some feelings. So this is a really fun activity to do at any time of the day, not just for snack. You can do this with breakfast, lunch, dinner, and maybe even share it with your family today when you guys are all eating. All right, remember, every day, totally new videos. So we're going to bring you something new tomorrow. Don't forget to check back, and we want to see if you've been having fun with the video, so don't forget to comment and share what were your thoughts. See you all tomorrow.